Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Got my coffee, and hopefully today's the day. So I am heading, I have to go to the post office, and then I am heading to the car fix place, the mechanics. And I have been eating these for breakfast every day. So it's the Quaker oats. So I just boil some water, and then I bought some really good blueberries. Really good. That's how I've been starting my day. I got some really good red grapes too. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get on the road today. It's another beautiful day here, but I'm ready to get on the road. But I truly appreciate that this is where I stop, this town, these people. So yeah, let's go see what happens with Lucky Charlie. Let's get the week started. Okay, so I made it to my next stop. Guess where it is? A Flying J. And yeah, at least it's nice out, but I will tell you, it was very windy. So Charlene got fixed. I brought her in about 8:30. I had to stop at the post office. Somebody ordered Two of Joy's paintings. So I got those off this morning, and then brought Charlene in, and the parts were there, and so they fixed it right away. And then I think I got on the road by, I don't know, 11 o'clock, something like that. And I only went like 110 miles because there's a wind advisory. So today's Monday, today through Wednesday. And when I was in Rawlins, I was looking at the weather. So, and then they're supposed to get snow on Thursday. So hopefully I'll be in Utah in a couple days. And who knows, it may be snowing there. But I'll just take it day by day. But yeah, it was really windy today. And, you know, just kind of, I was only going like 55 because the van was blowing. And then a lot of semis today. So, hunkered down here, working on my stuff, and yeah, just doing work, and gonna call it an early night, and then get up early, and then get on the road tomorrow and see how that goes. Again, it's supposed to be really windy, but usually I find the earlier I leave, the less traffic there is, and even less semis to when it's earlier in the day. So that's what I'm gonna try to avoid, is a lot of traffic in the morning. So I will check in with you tomorrow and let you know how that goes. So I'm back on the road again. I love Rawlins, great people, but it's time to get going. So, okay, I'll check in tomorrow morning. Bye. Good morning. So it's pretty early, but I want to get on the road early. Look at how pretty that is. And I'll turn this around and show you what I see. There you go. You see that? More mountains. So I'm getting ready to leave. Have my oatmeal and my blueberries. Got my coffee. Yeah, not much happening on this one. Like I said, just really windy. So I have to give like full concentration to the road. I'm not even going that far. It was only like 110 miles. So it's just kind of slow and go, which is nice. It makes me slow down and just appreciate everything. Yesterday I did see an accident across the other side of the road, and there were ambulances there. And, you know, we're kind of in the middle of, I don't want to say nowhere. There's a lot of traffic, but I don't know where the nearest like hospital would be. But it looked like it was like an SUV or something, or a truck pulling like a small, I don't know, flatbed with hay on it, and then it was a car. So, but I didn't pay attention to the road because it was so windy that I couldn't really look to see what was going on. But anyway, so yeah, and I headed to the next town. Again, it's just kind of frog jumping. I think it's like 100 miles, somewhere around there. And because today's supposed to be windy. It actually is supposed to snow around here on Thursday. So like I said, I'm hoping to get further south. But I have to fill a prescription at Walgreens, and there's a Walgreens in the next small town. These are really small towns. The next small town that I'm going to. So that's why I'm headed out early, headed to Walmart, or not Walmart, Walgreens, get my prescription filled. And then I'm gonna see the next jump is only like, it said it's only like 40 minutes. So if it's early enough, I may do that part too. So I'll let you know what happens. So right now, just driving, still pretty scenery. Not like the last one, but yeah, I'm still in awe of the mountains just because I'm from Minnesota. But okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna get on the road. I'm gonna eat my oatmeal, fuel me up, and then get on the road. So I'll check in with you. Okay. So I just pulled over. Look at how pretty that is. It must be under elevation. My ears are plugged. But okay, you can see my breath. I want to show you what I can see. See those mountains? Look at those clouds. Welcome to Utah. Look at this. Sorry for the wind. Talk about mountains. There's Charlene. So, I am in Utah, and you know how I was so enamored with those mountains in Montana and Wyoming? I don't think anything would have prepared me for this. Welcome to Salt Lake City, Utah. And it sure is beautiful here, but boy, the drive was great up until like the last 20 miles. And there's a wind advisory here, so the van was blowing, and you know, it's up and down and around and stuff like that. And this is what I think sometimes van lifers don't tell you is, I mean, I was white knuckling it the whole way. And I'm in a city. I usually like to go just to smaller towns, but I know a girl that lives here. And when I said I looked up, there was a Walmart in the last, or a Walgreens, you know, to fill my prescription. It didn't say Walgreens, it said Walmart. That's what Google Maps brought up. And I didn't realize that till this morning. So I had to get to a bigger place for them to have a Walmart, or I mean a Walgreens. I'm gonna turn this around and show you what I see. So I'm at a Love's truck stop for once. And that's my view right now. But do you see the mountains over there? They sure are pretty. But they're not so fun to drive. So I don't think that sometimes people realize it was so windy and it was blowing the van. And I was in 3 lanes of traffic, but there's semis all over me. You know, nobody wants to brake behind me. And then it turns into 2 lanes because there's usually an exit, so you have to do that. And yeah, so it just got a little hairy there towards the end. I even pulled over. I'm like, just get me to an exit, because I actually missed the exit I was supposed to go off of. And then I just took the next one, and then I pulled over in a hotel parking lot just to catch my bearings. And then what I like about what's it called, MapQuest. So I use Google Maps and I use MapQuest, and Google Maps might do this, but I like MapQuest because when I want to find like an around route, so because it lets you pick, you know, avoid highways or avoid tolls. And so that's what I pick. And I was only 3 miles away from here. So that was good to know. And then it took me all like the back streets to get here. So that was good. But you know what I've seen too since I've been here that I have not seen yet on my travels this time are homeless people. And just in the small drive, just from the last 3.5 miles, I saw a lot of homeless people. So, yeah, and it's really windy right now. There's a wind advisory here today too. And then I think tomorrow it's supposed to rain. And then I think snow is coming up. So, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna kind of leave you on a cliffhanger for this one. Because tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Is tomorrow Wednesday or is tomorrow Friday? Okay, tomorrow I think is Wednesday. I've lost all track. Yeah, because I just got the van fixed on Monday. That's right. I thought tomorrow was Friday. So, yeah, I'm going to see if my girlfriend can meet me tomorrow. If not, I still have to get my prescription filled. So I'm going to hunker down here and just, I don't know, I'd like to take a walk and just get my bearings, see what the map says for where I'm heading, and get some work done. So, I'm going to leave you here. You, go make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van. I did that, and sometimes it can get a little harried. But I'm safe. Go call someone you love, and as Joy says, tell them that you love them, and don't you dare forget your magic. You can get through anything. I talked myself through that. I'm here, I'm safe, I'm good, and that's all I care about. Very proud of myself, actually. So, okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.